Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, I am going to tell you about Schreiben Teil 2, B1 German examination writing skills, Teil 2. How to write in this style, how to understand the topic, and what are the expectations in this style. So as you can see here, word limit is 80, 80 Wörter. You need to write your answer within 80 words. And there is a theme like Musik im Zeitalter des Internets. You must be aware about this topic if you are practicing for your B1 German examination. So this is the topic. Topic is not given directly. There is a statement, 2 lines, and then there is one opinion of another visitor. Actually, it's a visitor diary, and you need to leave a remark. You need to write your feedback about the topic. Somebody has already written the feedback in the question paper. You will see that, and you have to write your opinion about the same theme. So here the theme is Musik im Zeitalter des Internets, means music in the time of internet. So in the time of internet, nowadays we are using online music. It is very accessible, it is very easy to access. Old music, new music, all kinds of music we can hear now in the time of internet. So this is the actually meaning of this topic. So now we'll see further. I have written 6 Ausdrucke, expressions. When you give your opinion, so you can use these 6 expressions. Don't use always ich denke, ich glaube, or the meiner Meinung nach. Use variations. I always say variations are very important. You must use variety of structures. So these are 6 structures. Ich bin der Meinung, meiner Meinung nach, ich bin der Auffassung. Auffassung means also Meinung, opinion. Ich denke or glaube, ich halte das für, means I consider something. How will you consider this thing? Like I consider this for good, I consider this for important, necessary, unimportant, anything you can write here. And last one is am Ende möchte ich sagen, means at last, lastly, or in the end I would like to say, then you can continue. So these are 6 structures you can use to give your opinion. And how will you proceed with the topic? Like ich finde das Internet sehr nützlich. I find the Internet very useful. Man kann nicht nur Musik hören, sondern auch die Videos anschauen. One can not only listen music but also watch the videos. So here you can see nicht nur sondern auch. You can use these double connectors, zweiteilige Konnektoren. I have taught you how to use these zweiteilige Konnektoren. Use them in the answer. And then I have used first structure. Ich bin der Meinung. I am of the opinion. Es ist sehr gut, wenn man im Internet Musik hört. So you can see the sentence formation. Very simple sentence I am using with some structures and Ausdrucke. So it is very good if one listen music in the internet. Man kann kostenlos Musik hören. One can hear kostenlos means without pay, free of cost. Man kann auch Radio im Internet hören. Okay, one can also hear radio. Mir gefällt online Musik sehr. This is my opinion. Mir gefällt, I like online music. Ich höre fast jeden Tag Musik online. I hear almost every day. Am besten finde ich aktuelle Musik im Internet. Aktuelle means current, latest music. The best I find the latest music in the internet. Man kann jede Menge Musik zu jeder Zeit hören. Jede Menge Musik means of all type. Every type of music you can hear online. And zu jeder Zeit, any time. There is no restrictions. Whenever you are free, just go online and listen music. Manchmal stört die Werbung. Sometimes disturb the advertisement. Werbung. You must have seen sometimes online we see the advertisement, so that disturbs. Stören. Wenn man online Musik hört. Das halte ich für sehr schlecht. That I consider very bad. Egal. Egal means doesn't matter. Egal. Wo man ist. Where one is. Man kann auch auf dem Weg Musik hören. Auf dem Weg means on the way. आप on the way हो, आप music सुन सकते हो. You can listen music if you are on the way. Aber man muss dafür gute Internetverbindung haben. good internet connection. Internet Verbindung means internet connection. One must have good internet connectivity, internet connection, so you can listen music anywhere, anytime. So this was the topic I have decided to explain you today. I hope you understood what I wanted to tell you, how to deal with this tiled SWI in B1 German examination. So that's all in this video. Keep watching German class. See you next time in some more interesting videos. Bye bye. Take care.